Hey guys, Dan from Amore Pizza Co. I'm here today, Saturday morning in the kitchen. We're just prepping up for a massive day tomorrow. We've got a big function on. And yeah, I just wanted to go live here on our page. I'm going to be posting these videos, all over our social media platforms, YouTube and Instagram. And it's called, behind the scenes pizza tips and tricks. So every week I'm going to be posting one of these videos, helping you guys if you want to up your pizza game at home, then these series are for you. Now today, as you can see, I have just mixed up 4 massive doughs. Petra, nice to see you, or Peter, nice to see you. And what we do here is we let the dough rest for about 20 to 30 minutes. All right, so that gives the yeast and the gluten and everything to form really nicely. And then what we do, we ball those up into 300 gram balls, which is what gives you a really nice, 13-inch pizza. So guys, here I am in the kitchen on Saturday. This is where we do all of our batch ups every week, a few days a week. So we're not just, slaving away in our pizza truck. But yeah, this is our big mixer that we use. Nice big floor mixer. We've already actually batched up all of our gluten-free doughs. As you can see, we actually wrap them up in bio wrap, and that's because so they don't dry out. So we actually put those into the fridge. We'll let them sit there and ferment for a couple of days, and that's what gives the yeast time to do its thing with the gluten-free doughs and make them absolutely nice. So guys, have a lovely day, have a good weekend, and I look forward to bringing you some more value from the kitchen next week. Take care.